SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 19, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. Column B, column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 8, 9, 7. Column G, we get 9 and 8. So 9 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Then only one number is remaining 7. Confirm here. 8 and 9 will confirm later. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 6, 2. Column I, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Then only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 5 and 6 will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 9, 6. 6th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 6th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 5th row and 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, column B, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column E, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 10th row and 2nd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, column B, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. You confirm later. Then column D, only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. You confirm later. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining. Column B, only one number is remaining 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 9, 2. 3rd grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. We can confirm 9 also here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 3rd row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. 2nd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 1st grade, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 9, 7. 9th grade, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 9th, 7th grade we already get 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th row only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column B we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th grade we have 5 and 9, so 5 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column G we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 10th row only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 8th row only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column G 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 4th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 4th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 4th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.